Hi, it's Cutine Iris Gel, and for today's video, I am going to show you how to measure the pH number of the soil. So first, I have here in front of me three different kinds of soil. This is a garden soil, this is a sand soil, and this one is a soil from the pot. So to measure its acidity or its alkalinity, we have here a baking soda. Next is a vinegar and a water. So I have also here a stick for mixing. So that is all for our materials to be used, and of course this spoon for to be used on measuring the vinegar and the baking soda. So let us now start.
So first, add water to the three soils.
So as you can see, there is no bubbles coming out from this garden soil as I mixed it with vinegar. And then next is the sand soil. So as you observe, there is bubbles coming out from the bottom. So I did not yet mix it, and now we're going to mix it. So the bubbles disappeared, so we can no longer see bubbles coming out from this sand soil. Next is the soil coming out, or the soil from the flower pot. So we will now mix it. So as we now see, there are bubbles on the surface in this soil from the flower pot. Okay, so so far this soil from the garden and this soil or the sand soil is neutral as of now, and while this soil from the flower pot, this is an alkaline soil so far. But now the next procedure is add the baking soda. So we will now open the baking soda. So in this last procedure, we will now see in which of these three soils are acidic, alkaline, or neutral. So we are going to add a tablespoon of baking soda in each bottle. So first is this garden soil. Second is this sand soil. And then this flower pot soil. So as you can see here, observing this garden soil, there are bubbles coming out from the bottom before I mix it, and now I will be mixing it. Okay, so that is how garden soil react from the baking soda. And then next is this sand soil. So I will now mix it. Okay, that's it for the reaction of the sand soil. And then last is this flower pot soil. So this flower pot soil has the same reaction from the vinegar and from the baking soda. So for the conclusion of this video, so which of the three soils are alkaline, acidic, or neutral? So first, I have to react on its color. So these soils have different colors. So this garden soil has this brown color. It shows in its water. And then this sand soil has a not so dark color, while the soil from the pot has a very dark color. So it's very black. So in regards of their pH, so as of the moment, as you can see here, this garden soil shows now its reaction to the baking soda. This sand soil is still the same. It doesn't fizzes, it doesn't bubble. And this one, its reaction is still the same. It fizzes and it shows bubbles. So in conclusion with this video, this sand soil is or has a neutral pH. So it has 6.5 to 7 pH. So it is neutral. While this garden soil, it's acidic because it bubbles to both the vinegar and of course the baking soda. And then this pot from the this soil from the pot also an acidic soil because it bubbles, it fizzes all throughout the experiment of this vinegar and this baking soda. So that is all for my experiment on measuring the pH of the soil of these three different soil. So thank you and God bless.